Hi, my name is Fifi from Graphics. Today, I will design a simple modern logo on my phone using easy steps you can follow right now in PixelLab. So let's dive right in. So we are going to import our sketch, okay? The logo that we've sketched, and then we're going to vectorize it using the Pixel tool in shapes, okay? So click on the plus icon from gallery. Alright, so we head over to the layer side and then we lock our layer. So I'll click on a shape over here, then increase radius to 0 or 100%, then reduce opacity, and then increase the stroke width to 40. After, you just increase the size like this. Increase the size, okay, to fill the shape of the sketch. Yeah, so after, you click on your check mark and then you lock your layer. We then head over to the bizarre icon. Okay, so automatically when you enable this bizarre, this is what you see. You can see 2 points connecting each other. Okay, so we are going to close this points. Okay, so when you click on this icon over here, it means you are closing the 2 points. Okay, so we're going to click on that. Okay, so let's say I want to I'm going to add a point to the sharp edges of this sketch. Okay, so when you click on this one over here, you are adding point to it. So okay, so let me just click on it and then add another point. Okay, and after you come to bizarre mode, you make sure you selected this is what we use to edit the anchor points. Okay, so I'll just place them at the sharper edges. Alright, so let's work on it. So let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you position one here and then position the other one too here. Then you work on it. Alright, yeah, so make sure everything is in line. Yeah, so after, you head over to color and you change it to black color like this. Okay, so after, you then come here. Okay, so you click on the plus icon over here. It means you've added another point. Okay, another 2 points. Okay, then you come back to actions. We are going to close the point like this. Okay, then you select this mode, come to mode, and then you move. When you select this mode, it means that you are moving this up. Okay, you are moving your anchor points. Okay, then let's select this anchor edit point mode again, and then we come back to the actions. We are going to add points so that we can place it at the sharper edges of the sketch. Okay, so we are going to add 3 points to the already existing points. Okay, so 1, 2, and then 3. All right, so we are going to zoom in. Okay, yeah, so I'll move one here, and then I'll move 1, 2 here. I'll move 1 here, and then I'll move 1, 2 here. All right, let me zoom in. Okay, yeah, so you've been able to place it at each sharp point or sharp edges of the sketch. Okay, so let's work on it. Alright, so we head over to color and then we change the color to black. Let me zoom out. So we click on the plus icon again. So we're going to work on another side on the sketch. Okay, so this one also we're going to close the anchor point. Let me move it here so that you can see. Okay, and then we are going to add 2 points to the already existing one. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, and then let me zoom in a bit. Alright, so let's head over to color and then let's give it this black color as well. Alright, so let me zoom out. Yeah, so after you just click on your check mark. Yeah, so we just position it here and then we hide our sketch. Yeah, so we are going to merge them together, the shape and the logo that we vectorize. Okay, yeah, so we've gotten our logo. Let me just change the color to white and then change the background. Yeah, so